Hey, welcome back guys to my channel. Today we're going to talk about this little gizmo that I found at Walmart. Originally it was $9.88 and it was on clearance for $2. There were a lot of them. I'm assuming because, would you really spend 10 bucks on one of these? I know I wouldn't. But for $2, I thought, you know what, let's give it a try. I haven't opened it. I have no idea how it works, and we're going to learn together. That's what we're here for, right? So it's supposed to sanitize your phone and accessories according to the drawings. You can sanitize any surface as fast as 20 seconds, and it kills viruses, streptococcus, something that ends in coccus, and something with coli. It's portable. Warning: do not in any way, shape, or form try to sterilize hands or skin. Okay, UV light may cause skin irritation. Keep away from eyes. And a safety feature that this thing has is that it shuts off automatically if it's turned upside down, just in case you accidentally do it and then you look at it and you could go blind with things like this. So it says it works as fast as 20 seconds. There was another model that was on special, was 20 bucks, and originally like 50 bucks. And I said, no, let's try this one for $2. So let's get right to it. Okay, we're back with our handy dandy DeWalt utility knife. Let's open it up. See what we can find. If it's worth $2. You see? Not even worth it. Well, what can you expect, right? Beggars can't be choosers. Use that. Cut that just like butter. Put that away because I know I will stop myself. So this is the knee spa, or do you have a name? Phone spa. Yeah, it does. It was covered by this sticky note, but the tag phone spa. I'll put that to the side. So this is what the phone spa looks like. Phone and accessory sanitizer, portable UC wand. So it contains your instructions, package contents: sanitizing wand, USB cable, cables, and the manual, which is this. So a little bit about it: product overview and functions. Introduction, if you guys want to read that. I'm not gonna bore you to that. Overview and functions. Laboratory proven to kill and eliminate up to 99.9%. Now, I'm no scientist. I don't have a microscope, even though I would love to have one. Well, bacteria and germs in less than 1 minute. So, is this something you really need? I mean, for $2, why not? You know, setting up the using one, the power button. Okay, let's do it together. Then there's a test report if you guys want to check that out. So we're gonna set up and using the sanitizer wand. The power button and indicator light are located at the base of the wand. So let's take it out of the package. And let's put this bad boy there. I know I have a problem. Usually when you hear that? Something is either broken or it's supposed to be like that. So there's that UV light, and you could have it like this. It's coming from here, somewhere. One of the lights broken. The warning: keep out of the reach of children. I cannot touch it, leave it alone. Used to sterilize hands or skin. So if you're planning to use this like this, please don't. Listen to the instructions. It's just like, if you want to do that, get a tan, somewhere where there's a tan, but don't do this. And this is just for your phone or surfaces. So let's try it out. Powering this thing on. Pressing and holding. Nothing's working. Oh, usually things already come charged. Well, that's extremely disappointing. Let's plug it into an AC adapter and we'll bring it right back. Okay, we're back. I just charged it for about 15 to 20 minutes. It's not fully charged. However, when you plug it into an electrical outlet using that micro USB cable provided, that light will start blinking red. That means it's charging. Once it's done charging, it will turn a solid red. You unplug it, of course the light goes off. To turn this phone spa, you hold it for 2 seconds, press that button for 2 seconds, it turns on, it lights up blue, and then you put your phone underneath the spa for 20 seconds and voila, you can't see it, but UV light kills all these germs and viruses and stuff, and strepto something. So since my phone's charging, I'm gonna use my iPad. It's just as dirty. I usually use my Magic Mouse to operate it, but we're gonna see if it works. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna turn this light off, and it looks bad, pitch black. However, I want you guys to see that UV light. I'm not going to turn it towards me. I'm going to turn it away from you guys, away from the camera, and see if that actually turns off as it's supposed to say. Now you guys can't see this because it's kind of black. I'll turn this on for a second. I tried this before I turned it on, before I started recording. I never saw this big bright blue light they're advertising, but I want you guys to see it for yourself. See if you want to invest $2. And here it goes. So I'm going to press and hold for 2 seconds. And there's the light. I don't know if you guys can see the reflection on it. You're supposed to hold this like this for 20 seconds. Kind of a sweeping motion. I'm holding it about an inch and a half away from the screen. This changed. I'm not a lefty. I wish I was. All right. If anything, what I'm taking away from this is that it's extremely satisfying. It gives you something to do if you're bored. So if somebody were to see me, this guy is freaking nuts. Maybe a little. Okay. I feel like I'm blessing my iPad. Okay. So another thing is, I think that was more than 20 seconds. So if you have your phone, I don't have my phone. So anyways, you put this on. I don't know if you guys could see the light, the UV light. I'm gonna flip it away from me, see if it turns off. Oh, it's about 3/4 of the way it finally turned off. So even if I was looking at it by mistake, I will still catch a glimpse of it and probably get part of my eyes. Now when you turn it back, it turns back on, so at least that works. How long will it last? I have no idea. It's only $2. Well, so in theory, if you have your phone, you turn this on, you put your phone, let's pretend this is my phone, well, any surface for that matter. So let's say I want to sanitize my mouse here. Just let it, or I could just grab it and do this. Turn that on. You guys won't be able to see that UV light, too much reflection. Okay, one mouse down, one to go. This is the one I use for my laptop. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna turn the light on, turn this thing off. press and hold till it shuts off. And there you have it. It's a $2 phone spa. Let me know if you have one of these, or if you have any questions, put them down in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to answer those. If you want to see how it charges, just grab your USB that came with it, your cable micro USB, plug it to the bag. You can see how cheap that is. I am not sponsored by these guys. I just thought it was something a good concept. Phone spa, curious, only $2. So as you can tell, it's blinking red. If it was fully charged, it would just be a solid red. So if anything, I'm just gonna keep it here on my desk and sanitize and take my phone, my iPhone, to a spa every day. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed. A like is always appreciated. If you think I deserve it, please do so. Subscribe if you haven't. If you like what you saw, if you got something good out of it, or at least if you got entertained or made you smile. Have a good, happy 4th of July, and TekyDad logging out. Peace.